Beautiful morning, Atomians! So I'm truly happy and excited to be back here on our stage once again. For how many years? So, di ba? So welcome po sa akin ulit dito sa stage. So today, we're going to focus on the two of the most essential parts of our skincare line. But before we dive in, allow me to introduce myself first. I am Darbel Karain Bergado Valle, a Sharon Rose Master from Ariul 1 Mandaluyong Aja Aja Center. And I am also passionate about helping others to discover the power of proper skincare. Kasi yung business po natin, di ba, is more for beauty and wellness. And I am also happy to share with you the Atomy products. It can help us to truly transform not just our skin, but also our confidence. So ready na ba kayo? So let's learn and glow together here in Atomy. So let's begin. So, sino na po dito ang nakapag-open na ng ating newly upgraded website? Taas po ang kamay. So, madami na po. Siguro yung mga first-timer, hindi pa po nakapag-open. So, yung mga nag-invite po sa inyo, turuan po natin sila. And then, just log into our account, visit our website, ph.atomy.com. And pwede po tayo mag-explore sa ating Atomy Global Online Shopping Mall. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan po natin ang konsepto behind Atomy products. So, ito po ay tinatawag na, ano po ito? Mastige. So, mass means tayo pong mga consumers, tayo pong mga everyday users. And then, yung target po is pang masa sa ating lahat. So, prestige means naman po, ito po ay high quality products. Ito po yung matatagpuan po natin sa luxury brands. So, sa Atomy, pinagsama po itong dalawa. Kaya, ang Mastige po ay strategy ni Atomy para makapagbigay ng premium quality products na abot kaya ang presyo. Kaya, ang tawag po dito ay absolute quality products and absolute price. So, today, I'll be sharing with you two of our most powerful skincare lines that can truly help us become more beautiful. Gusto niyo po ba yan? Diba? It can help us be more confident also and be proud. Atomy Personal Platform Owner. So, gusto niyo po ba niyo yun? Diba gustong-gusto natin yon. So, these are the Atomy Evening Care 4 set and our Atomy Absolute Snow set. So, these two product set are not just for skincare. Ito po ay, sikretong tool po sa atin para matulungan po tayo to look good, to look more beautiful, to feel great. Di ba po pag feel beautiful po tayo, we feel great also. Di ba po? And to help us present ourselves with confidence as we do and grow our Atomy business. Okay po ba yon? So, are you ready to learn today and glow with Atomy? Now, let's begin. I will start with this question. When was the last time you truly paid attention on your skin after a long and tiring day? Kailan po yung huling nag-self-care po tayo? Sino po yung nag-skincare kagabi? So, this is a reflection question po. To reflect, ano po yung self-care habits natin bago matulog? So, sino po yung naghihilamos bago matulog? Ayan. Siyempre, mga Atomians po tayo. Nag-share po tayo ng absolute quality products, di ba? So, sino po yung guilty? Ay, wala. So, very good po tayong lahat. Ibig sabihin po is, gumagamit po talaga tayo ng ating skincare talaga po ba? So, kasi po, naintindihan ko po na most of us go through so much in a day. Di ba sobrang ang dami nating pangyayari sa buong maghapon. Ang daming energy yung nauubos. Taking care of our families, working, managing responsibilities. And when the day ends, we feel so tired. Pagod na po tayo, di ba? And sometimes, we skip the most basic thing. As in, itong basic thing na to, na pinakakailangan po ng ating skin ay ang cleansing. So very good po because cleansing is not just about washing our face. It's about removing the build-up of entire day. Ano po yung nabibuild up entire day natin? Yun po yung dirt, oil, makeup, sweat, and pollution na nakadikit po sa ating skin. Di ba pag matulog tayo, kaya nagkakaroon po ng time po yung dirt po na pumasok sa skin natin at magstay at nagkakaroon ng problema. Kung hindi po tayo mag-cleanse ng ating skin bago po tayo matulog. So ito po yung common problems that will occur in our skin kapag hindi tayo naghihilamos bago matulog. Sobrang dami, di ba? So sino po dito yung may clogged pores? Ay, wala. Very good. Aminin. Pimples and breakouts. Dull and tired skin. And uneven tone and rough texture. So, di ba po, pinaka-basic po talaga na kailangan nating gawin bago matulog is cleansing. Let's go back to basic. Kung gusto po natin ma-achieve yung radiant, luminous, very healthy, glowing skin, let's go back to basic. Very important po yun. Kasi, ito po, because pag hindi po natin proper cleansing po yung ating skin, wala din pong effect po, hindi po mag-i-effect ng mabuti yung ating high-quality products, like absolute products. Kasi hindi po tayo nag-proper cleansing. Kasi did you know that cleansing is the most important step in your skin care. So don't forget that po. And next is, I introduce to you our evening care for set, a 365 days home spa designed to help you cleanse right away in just a simple 4 steps. Di ba napakasimple lang po, 4 na step lang po muna tayo for cleansing. And it includes our deep cleanser, foam cleanser, peeling gel, and our peel-off mask. So first, we have our deep cleanser. This deep cleanser is our oil-based cleanser because in Atomy, we use a double cleansing method. The oil-based and the water-based. So it helps remove the makeup and cleanses clogged pores because it has 3 indicators or benefits that we can have. If we use this deep cleanser, it helps our skin firm, it helps our skin have a clear tone, and it helps our skin to be glossy because it has a key ingredients. It has a ginseng extract, ginkgo extract, and also the green tea extract and carrot extract. Nakakatulong po mag-glow yung ating skin. Next naman po is the foam cleanser. This is the water-based cleanser po na meron tayo. This is the double second cleansing method po ni Atomy Evening Care. So it removes impurities and makeup because it helps us to have a clean skin and a hydrated finished skin because of its key ingredients. The third one is our peeling gel. It easily removes unnecessary dead skin. This is also a gentle exfoliator. Sino po yung nagpapaderma po dito at nagpapatanggal po ng dead skin? which is masakit po. Meron pong machine na ginagamit. So, hindi ko na lang po sasabihin. But, here in Atomy, we are thankful po because we have the product that naturally exfoliate our dead skin cells, which is our peeling gel. And for this, it reveals after we use this peeling gel, it helps our skin be fresh and glowing. Kasi po, natanggalan na po ng dead skin. And next is our peel off mask. So it minimizes pores, firms, and calm our skin because it has a key ingredients of amethyst powder, centella extract, and jade powder that helps our skin purified and circulate and refine the skin surface. So before I introduce our next skincare line, let me ask you this. Again, question again to reflect, di ba? Para po, mas maintindihan po natin kung bakit napaka-importante po yung ating paggamit ng skincare products. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed dark spots, uneven skin tone, or dullness that just won't go away no matter how many products you try? Sino po dito yung may na-notice na po na pigmentation po? So meron po, di ba? So why not? If yes, then you may be experiencing this. Hyperpigmentation. Pero ano nga ba yung hyperpigmentation? Ito po yung kondisyon ng skin natin kung saan nagkakaroon ng mga dark patches. Kagaya po ng melasma, age spots, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and freckles. Kasi yung pinaka-main cause po nito is by sun exposure. Too much sun exposure, tapos hindi po tayo naglalagay ng sunscreen. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng hyperpigmentation. Acne marks po. And then hormonal changes or skin damage. Sa madaling salita, ito po yung nakikita nating itim-itim sa mukha po natin na hindi po nawawala. Okay po? Naintindihan nyo na po? And now that we understand what is hyperpigmentation and how it affects our skin, I'm excited to share with you the solution. Ito na po yung solution sa problema po natin kapag meron po tayo hyperpigmentation. Introducing our Atomy Absolute Snow Set. Palakpakan naman po natin yung ating product. This set is our all-day brightening system for luminous skin. Sino po yung gustong ma-achieve ang luminous skin? O, di ba? Ako gusto ko po. So, tumaas po tayo ng kamay para ma-achieve po natin yan sa paggamit po ng ating Absolute Snow. Let me ask you this. Do you really need to spend thousands on aesthetic treatments just to brighten our skin? Kailangan pa ba natin? So if your answer is no, because Atomy gives us something even better. This is because we have our Absolute Snow Set. It has a 3-dimensional home derma. O, diba? Pwede na tayong mag-skincare, magpalighten ng ating pigmentation at home. It has a brightening care system backed by science that deliver result right from the comfort of your home. And this is our Absolute Snow. And there are 6 strong reasons kung bakit ang ating Absolute Snow Set nag-stand out or unique in the world of skincare. We will discuss this one by one po later. And the first is, we have the home derma. Kung bakit po unique si Absolute? Because of, we can use it at home. You don't need to go to the skincare clinic na po. Because the Absolute Snow Set brings the power of professional brightening treatments to your own home. Just like what dermatologists do. So kung makikita nyo po sa picture, ito po. Ito po yung ginagamit po, may mga machine po yan sa salon or sa clinic. And ito po yung atin, di ba? Pero other products po is not yet available in Atomy Philippines, but we can purchase it po in Korea website. So ayan po siya. So di ba po sobrang nakaka-amaze po itong ating Absolute Snow Set. And next is Skin Science. It's back up. So naka-back up po siya by Advanced Skin Science. Atomy uses a special brightening mechanism or technology that helps brighten our skin deeply and effective po talaga siya. And itatakal ko po mamaya. And it has ito po, 8-step whitening mechanism. Yan po yung meron sa ating Absolute Snow Set. And next is, we have all day, all night professional care. It works, it really works day and night because the products are made to take care of our skin in the morning. Meron po siyang pang-umaga and also in the evening. Ito po. So yung morning po, nakakatulong po yung mga products in the morning to hydrate and protect our skin. Diba po? Bago po tayo maglagay din ng sunscreen. And sa gabi naman po, to repair and nourish our skin bago po tayo maglagay ng ating peel-off mask pack. Next is overwhelming brightening active ingredients that create a clear and clean skin tone. It has a 10 powerful, ibig sabihin sobrang powerful natural ingredients that fight dark spot and uneven skin tone. So, di ba, hindi lang isa yung ingredients ang meron si Atomy Absolute Snow. Ilan po? 10. So, wag po nating kalimutan yan. Pag i-share po natin ito sa mga kakilala natin na may problem, hindi lang ito yung isa yung ingredients nito. It has 10 powerful ingredients. Mamaya po, I will explain po one by one. And next, the brightening effects scientifically proven by clinical trial results. It's tested and proven to work on our skin. So, tested po talaga siya. So, ito po yung kanyang confirmed reduction of pigmentation through synergy effect. Makikita nyo po dito, after 4 weeks po or 28 days na ginamit po itong Absolute Snow, makikita nyo po dito na talagang mas naglighten po yung kanyang pigmentation. Ito din po. Ito po yung before use. Ito po, tingnan nyo po yung pagkakaiba. Di ba dito po sobrang, tabi-tabi po yung dark spot. Pero after 4 weeks or 28 days, makikita na po. Also this one po. So, di ba, sobrang back up by science talaga siya. And have the amazing 10 common powerful ingredients nasa ating Absolute Snow na nakakatulong po talaga to lighten our hyperpigmentation. And next is elegant. It has elegant, gentle, and natural scent. It smells clean, relaxing. Kung sino na po yung mga nakagamit nito, sobrang masarap po siya sa amoy. It smells clean, relaxing smell, like nature. The scent is soft and calming. So, hindi po siya strong smell. Di ba po, may mga skincare product, sobrang strong ang smell kasi may mga alcohol content, sobrang sakit po sa nose. And then, hindi po siya irritating, yung ating Absolute Snow. And now, let's discuss the 10 active key ingredients of our Absolute Snow. Excited na po ba kayong malaman? So, eto na po. Number 1 po natin is the Cell Active Brightening Code. Di ba meron din po ito sa ating Cell Active Absolute Set? So, meron po din siya dito sa ating Absolute because it's still Absolute product sa ating Absolute Snow. So, ito po yung tumutulong mag-focus ng problema sa area po ng ating skin. So tulad ng dark spots or uneven skin tone, pinapalakas niya po ang whitening effect. So ito po yon. Kung saan ito po yung pinakakailangan po ng ating problem sa skin natin. So ito po yung tinatawag na smart skincare na kumikilos hanggang sa pinaka-cell level, pinaka-deep level ng ating skin. So, di ba, palakpakan po natin ang ating one of the first ingredients po na meron sa ating Absolute Snow. And next is the Oxygenoskin. O, di ba? Sino na po nakarinig dito na Oxygenoskin? Ngayon po, di ba? So, pag-explain po natin sa ating mga consumer, it has an oxygenoskin. O, di ba? Dahil ito po yung nagbibigay ng fresh na oxygen sa balat natin. O, di ba? Nakakatulong siya para maging fresh po tayo kapag mas maraming oxygen sa skin natin. Mas malinaw at pantay po yung ating skin tone. Mas maraming, take note of this, mas maraming oxygen, ano po? Mas healthy at mas makinis po ang ating balat from within. So, palakpakan po natin yan. And next po is, we have the third ingredient, the alpha-bisabolol. Nakakabulol po siya. O, diba? Si alpha-bisabolol naman ay natural na sangkap. May natural na sangkap po siya na humahad lang sa paggawa ng melanin. Siya po yung pananggalang ng pag-create po ng melanin para magkaroon tayo ng mga dark spot. Yun po yung dahilan kaya nag-umiitim po yung skin natin or nagkakaroon tayo ng dark spot. Pinipigilan niya po. Siya po yung nagpipigil nito ng enzyme na nagtitrigger po ng pigmentation. Kaya nakakatulong siyang maiwasan ang dark spots bago pa ito lumabas. So, di ba, napaka-amazing po ng ating mga ingredients. And next po, the glabridin, or this is the oil-soluble plant extract. Ito naman ay galing sa licorice. Kung makikita niyo po, galing po siya sa licorice root and oil-soluble. Siya po ay oil-soluble, kaya mabilis po siyang ma-absorb ng ating skin. So, di ba, tahimik niya na tinutulungan yung activity ng melanin. Kumbaga, talagang tinutulungan niya din po talaga na mapigilan po yung pag-produce po ng mga dark spot po sa skin natin. Nakakatulong din in plant-based po, kasi plant-based po ang ating ingredient. Nakakatulong din itong pawalain yung peklat natin. Di ba? Pag meron po tayong deep scar po from our acne, so ito po is the best. Yung Absolute Snow din po natin. And then, tumutulong din ito para patigilin yung melanin activity, sabi ko nga kanina, in a gentle and plant-based way. So, di ba? Ito po talaga yung pinaka-importante. Yung paglagay natin ng skincare is, make sure it is a natural and plant-based skincare. Para po hindi po tayo magsisi pagtanda natin na magkaroon po ng mas malalang problema sa ating skin. So we need to take care of our skin in natural way of our skincare product. And next is, ito naman yung pinaka-popular. Pag sinabi po ito, ingredients na ito, mapapa-yes po talaga yung ating mga consumer. Ano po ito? Sino po ang makakahula? Next is our niacinamide, di ba? Sobrang patok po ito sa mga Pilipino. Ito naman yung talagang pinaka-popular ingredients sa pagpapaputi ng balat. Meron pong sa lotion, meron po sa mukha. So, nandito na po sa ating Absolute Snow Set. Tinutulungan itong paliitin also or i-break down. Kung nakikita niya po, i-break down niya po yung mga dark spot or yung melanin sa loob ng ating balat. Kaya nabubura ang existing dark spot natin at gumaganda yung skin clarity natin because of these ingredients, the niacinamide. So next is, we have also our ethyl ascorbic acid. Ito naman ay isang stable na form ng vitamin C. So, di ba, may vitamin C ang kailangan pag nagpapaputi po tayo. Pinapatingkad nito ang maputla. Di ba, may mga mapuputla talagang mga skin o dull na skin na nilalabanan yung mga free radicals na nakakapagpatanda ng skin natin. Kaya, meron itong brightening and anti-aging effect. Kaya, napaka-importante po yung vitamin ng ating vitamin C sa ating skin. Next din po is our winter green leaf. It has a winter green leaf extract. Ito ay gentle exfoliant ng ating skin. So, tinatanggal nito ang dead skin para mas ma-absorb ng balat ang ibang brightening ingredients. Nakapagbibigay ito ng glow sa ating skin. And next is Illumicin. Illumicin. Tumutulong din ito sa ating skin tone-up effect. Pinapaputi at pinapalinaw nito ang ating kutis. And next is the IBR TLC, or the phytoane and phytofluane. So ito po yung kombinasyon ng natural carotenoids na ingredients. Pinoprotektahan niya rin po ang skin laban sa UV rays. So para po siyang sun protector, sunscreen natin. May ganun din po siyang ingredients, yung ating Absolute Snow. Nakakatulong din paputiin ang balat kahit sensitive po yung balat natin. Wala po tayong mafe-feel na irritation. And next is, finally, the last ingredients is the Ponea luminar na galing sa flower root po. Ito po siya. Nagaling po sa flower root ng pony. Nakakatulong ito para mas malinis, malinaw at maganda ang kutis natin. Pinapalabas po nito yung natural glow ng ating balat. And next po, I will introduce to you the Absolute Snow Set. What is the set consists of 5 products, powerful products that work together to total skin brightening. We have pwede po ba natin basahin para hindi po tayo antukin? Let's start. We have the Snow Toner. And Snow Night Cream. Thank you so much po. And then now, let's proceed to each of the products. So na lang po ito, sobrang iksi lang po ng explanation ko na to. And we have our Snow Toner. So, we have our toner na ito po ay nakakatulong to exfoliate our skin. And we have also our Snow Serum that can help our skin feel so firm and clear. So ito po yung nakaka-refresh po ng ating skin, itong snow serum po natin. And next po is our dark spot corrector. O di ba meron po tayo small machine po na gagamitin with our Absolute Snow. And next, we have our Snow Day Cream. Ito po yung refreshing cream po natin in daytime. And next po is our Night Cream. Ito po yung talagang magbibigay sa atin ng anti-aging effect, lifting effect, bago po tayo maglagay ng ating peel-off mask. And now, we prepare a product demo video for us to know how to use our evening care set and how to use our Absolute Snow Set step by step. So let's start. Let's watch for the video. So we have the deep cleanser. Put an appropriate amount in our hands. So sa mga hindi pa po nakakagamit, ito po yung ating deep cleanser. Apply to a dry face and massage gently in upward and circular motion. So habang minamassage po natin ang ating deep cleanser, it melts the makeup or excess oil or dirt and pollution from our skin because it has an ingredients, the ginkgo and ginseng extract that firm and hydrate our skin. And it gives our skin a healthy glow skin. So, di ba? Kapag naglalagay po tayo ng deep cleanser, that is the time to massage our skin para ma-relax po after tiring day. O, di ba po? Ang sarap po ng feeling na ipapamper po natin yung ating skin. So, ayan po, i-massage lang po natin siya in upward for lifting effect po. Wag po yung downward po ha. For upward po tayo. And next, that po is rinse with warm water or tap water or gently wipe with a tissue. Pwede naman po i-wash natin siya with water. Pwede din naman po i-wipe with tissue. And makikita nyo po dyan, yung matatanggal nyo po na dirt after the deep cleanser. And next po, our foam cleanser. So let's start sa wet po na face natin and wet hands. I-lather po natin siya. Maglagay tayo ng pea size. Lagyan ng konting water po yung kamay natin. I-lather po natin hanggang mag-foamy po. Hindi po nag-work ang foam cleanser pag hindi po natin ginawang foam po Tandaan po natin yon. Then apply to our face. Massage again in circular motion because this foam cleanser has the key ingredients, the mushroom and rice extract that hydrates and nourish our skin. It leaves our skin soft without dryness and tightness. So reminder lang po sa mga gagamit po ng ating foam cleanser, you need to wet your skin first and your hands. Kasi ito po yung sikreto to reach a foam para magkaroon po ng foamy and effective po yung cleansing natin. Rinse off using water or towel off po yung ginamit ko po dyan. And gently pat your skin dry. Kailangan po natin siya ipat dry. And the preparation po sa next skincare product po natin, evening care product po natin. Ano po yung next? The peeling gel. So, marami pong may paborito nito kasi pagtanggal po ng dead skin, bumata po agad, di ba? Ganun talaga, kailangan natin mag-exfoliate ng ating dead skin cells every week or twice a week para mas refresh po, para hindi po madaling tumanda yung skin natin. Apply generously to clean and dry skin and i-avoid po natin yung ating eye area and also the lips. So this is gentle exfoliation to remove our dead skin cells. So after that po, wait lang po natin siya ng 1 to 3 minutes, di ba po, bago natin i-massage. Kasi po, it has a key ingredients. This peeling gel has a key ingredients, the willow bark extract. Yan po yung nakakatulong na ingredients to remove the skin waste without irritation. So exfoliation help us the next skincare product absorb better. So ito na po, minamassage ko na po siya. Tip lang po pag nagtanggal po tayo ng ating dead skin, wag po yung sobrang harsh. Kasi sensitive po yung skin natin. Kailangan po, we need to take care of our skin. Gently lang po. Take care lang po kasi skin po natin yan. Kasi meron po siya mga small particles po, yung natural dead skin na tanggal. Pag nirab po ninyo yung masakit po siya sa pakiramdam, di ba po? At after that, magtataka kayo pag naghilamos kayo, namumula na agad yung mukha natin kasi sobrang harsh naman ninyo sa skin ninyo. So take note of that po. Then, pat dry din po. So you can feel smooth and refresh. Di ba po? Ito po yung preparation para po ma-insert po natin yung skincare product po na kailangan po natin. So, this is the best time po to apply our skincare product. Kung meron kayong Absolute Skincare Cell Active, Absolute Snow, paano po yung kailangan ng skin? So, first po, sa Absolute Snow is the Snow Toner. So, that Snow Toner po, ipapat dry lang po natin siya using the cotton pads. Pwede din po hands, pero as I research po, better po siya may cotton kasi yung Snow Toner po is a part of exfoliation. Okay po? It's a part of exfoliation din po na makakatulong sa skin natin to remove the dead skin. And then, because it has a saffron extract that suits tone and smooth our skin. So, napakaganda po nitong ating toner, Snow Toner, to balance the pH level of our skin and to prepare our skin for the next product we will apply para mas mag-absorb po siya. Take note lang po, bago po tayo maglagay ng iba't ibang skincare cream, we need toner po And next is the dark spot corrector. So, gently press. Yan po, ipe-press po natin yan para lalabas po yung ating cream from the corrector. And i-roll natin yan sa ating, yung pinaka-area po ng ating dark spot. Kung buong face po natin is may dark spot, buong face din po yung lalagyan po natin. Okay po? Tama po ba? Baka po pag dito lang, ang mag-lighten dito lang. Tapos ang face natin, dark sa paligid nyo, di ba po? So, kailangan din po natin i-focus po kung saan po yung meron po tayo dark spot. But remember, pag buong face naman natin ay may dark spot, lahat po is applyan po natin ng dark spot corrector. And also, it has a 7 alpine herbs. Di ba? 7 alpine herbs. That 7 alpine herbs has a powerful brightening effect in our skin. Di ba po? So, next po dito sa ating spout out corrector is we can use the cream type naman po. But this cream type is for the day cream po natin. So, ngayon po, adlib lang po ako ng natin, spot corrector. Ayan po, stay lang po natin hanggang mag-penetrate. Bago po natin ilagay po yung ating snow serum. So, apply a small amount in your hand. And pwede na po natin i-massage sa skin natin. So, itong snow serum po natin, meron po siyang ingredients na Omiha fruit extract. Yung Omiha naman, yan po yung nakakatulong to brighten our skin. And mag-reduce po siya ng redness. Di pa po may ganong skin? Pag hinawakan mo, sobrang sensitive. Magpupulag. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Meron po tayong nakakapag-reduce ng redness po ng skin natin. And even it can even our skin tone. So, continue lang po yung pag-massage and upward motion again hanggang nape-penetrate po yung ating serum. So, i-massage lang po para ma-relax po tayo. And don't forget po na habang nagmamassage tayo, think positive po sa self natin. We need to say thank you self for today. So, wag po nating kalilimutan yung self natin to give a positive affirmation to ourselves. So, next po is our Snow Day Cream. Ito po yung morning use po natin Use a spatula. Sino po yung gumagamit ng spatula dito? Very good. Para po yan sa hygiene and para hindi po makontaminate yung ating product. Kaya po bumabaho yung product katagalan. Kasi nakontaminate po ng ating kamay. Okay po? Then spread lang natin evenly in our face and let it absorb. Kasi ito po ay watery gel type texture. Hindi po siya parang pangkaraniwan natin ginagamit noon. Ito po ay napakaganda. Isa po ito sa favorite ko kasi meron siyang cooling effect. And nakakatulong din to para i-lock in yung moisture ng skin natin and para maprotektahan po yung sun damage. Kaya nga po siya day cream po. Kasi ito po yung piniprepare niya po din talaga yung skin natin na mag-protect po ng sun damage. So, bago po natin ilagay yung sunscreen natin, i-penetrate lang muna natin yung ating day cream. And then, don't forget to apply our sunscreen in the daytime. So, next po is so, continue lang po yung pag-massage natin hanggang ma-penetrate. Ayan po. So, while waiting for the video po, don't forget po na yung day cream natin is napakaganda. I-try nyo po, promise, magugustuhan nyo po. Ito po yung isa sa pinaka-paborito ko po sa Snow. And next product is our Snow Night Cream. So wait lang po natin. So while waiting po, sino na po dito yung excited na mag-purchase po ng ating Absolute Snow Set? Ayan, so mamaya malaki po yung PV natin sa ating Absolute. Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, 77,000 PVs, di ba? So next po is our last product, last cream, the Snow Night Cream. This is for evening use. Again, use spatula for hygiene and to avoid contamination po sa pagkuha po natin ng product po. So apply evenly. After that, apply evenly all over the face. So ayan po. Kasi ito naman po ay meron pong key ingredients. Wag po ninyong kalimutan, pag night cream po, meron po siya collagener o collagen. Collagener that boosts our skin elasticity. O diba? Para mag-firm po siya, hindi po siya sag. Ito po yun, bago po tayo maglagay ng peel of mask. Because it has key ingredients, the sunflower seed oil plus the white lupin that repairs and nourishes our skin overnight. So malaking tulong po ito para ma-repair and ma-nourish yung skin natin overnight. So i-massage pa rin po natin to feel relaxed at para ma-circulate din po. At para ma-penetrate po lalo ng ating skin ang ating snow night cream. After that po, we will apply what is the last? Bago matulog. Yeah, very good po. So, next product is peel off mask. Sino po yung magaling maglagay ng peel off mask dito? Wow! Ibig sabihin po, ilan na po yung taong na demohan ninyo? Di ba po? Gagaling at gagaling po tayo pag maraming tao na po tayo nalagyan ng mask. Or kapag every night po tayo naglalagay ng peel off. Kasi nung first time po, yung mask ko pa dito, hindi ko po alam ano na itsura. So next po is our peel off mask. This is the finished product na i-apply natin, the last product. And it also help us to relax our skin overnight. So apply evenly in the layer of our clean, dry skin. Again, avoid the eye area and the lips. And you can use your hands, pero pwede tayong gumamit ng spatula. Meron pong nabibili sa other online po. And meron din po tayong actual spatula sa Atomy. So yung rubber type po ng spatula para medyo, po siya, smooth po. Hindi po matigas. And then it has key ingredients na nakakatulong po para kumalma at ma-repair po yung product natin. It has an amethyst and jade powder. Ito po yung nakakatulong to detoxify and brighten our skin overnight. So, tip lang po this mask is safe to wear overnight. Okay po? Safe po siya, but meron po kasunod. Safe po siya only if your skin is well with the snow set or other skincare. Kasi hindi po siya maganda pag hilamos mo tapos pilop mask lang. Ang kinalabasan po niya sobrang dry at masakit po yung skin natin. Kailangan ma-nourish muna po natin yung skin po natin bago po tayo maglagay ng peel off mask. And then, wait for 30 minutes, then peel off from the bottom. Kailangan po bottom to top. So, di ba po? Para po yan sa lifting. Pero hindi po top to bottom. O, di ba perfect po? Medyo kinabahan po ako that part, pero alam ko po pag makapal po yung ating peel off mask, mape-perfect po natin yung pagtanggal. Kasi pag sobrang nipis, wala na, napunit na po. So di ba po? And before I end my part, I want to share with you this message. Wait, no. In Atomy, the value doesn't stop with what we use. It grows when we share it to others. It's a journey of becoming more beautiful inside and out, and also building confidence along the way. So, let's never stop using Atomy products and never stop sharing it with others. Di ba po? Because if we are Atomians, we can give more value. Value para gumanda, value para sumigla, maging healthy, at para maging mayaman. Di ba po? So, thank you po sa inyong pakikinig, and I hope you learned something valuable today. Let's keep using, keep sharing our product, and let's grow beautifully rich and confidently with Atomy together. Aja, Aja, Aja. Thank you again.